Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for app design. We'll start by understanding Figma's core capabilities, which make it an excellent choice for crafting mobile experiences. You'll learn how its real-time collaboration features empower teams to work together seamlessly, and how its robust prototyping tools help you visualize and test user interactions before development. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any aspiring app designer. Next, let's set up your project. Start by opening a new design file in Figma. You'll then select appropriate device presets for your artboards, perhaps an iPhone 14 or an Android Large, ensuring your design fits common screen sizes. Organizing your work into distinct pages for different sections of your app and using frames to define individual screens will keep your project tidy and manageable as it grows. Now, let's dive into designing your user interface elements. Focus on creating reusable components like buttons, navigation bars, and input fields. Employ Figma's powerful auto layout feature to build responsive designs that adapt effortlessly across various screen sizes. Maintain visual consistency by establishing clear color palettes and typography styles. Don't forget to explore the vast array of plugins available to streamline your design process and boost productivity. Finally, it's time to bring your design to life through prototyping. Link your screens together to simulate how users will navigate your app, adding subtle animations and transitions for a more realistic feel. Once your prototype is ready, share it with stakeholders and potential users to gather crucial feedback. This iterative process helps refine your design. Lastly, efficiently export all necessary assets for your development team, ensuring a seamless handoff.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.